Hello there. Welcome to the Navidium Returns and Exchanges app, your all-in-one solution for managing customer returns and exchanges directly from your Shopify store. In this presentation, you'll see how you can easily create return policy from the Navidium dashboard. Let's walk through the process together. First, go to your Shopify store admin dashboard, then click Apps. After clicking Apps, a pop-up appears, then clicking on Navidium Returns and Exchanges. If it doesn't appear, then search Navidium Returns and Exchanges, then click on it. A new tab opens and redirects you to the Return Dashboard portal, or you can directly visit returnsv2.navidiumapp.com to reach the login page. Enter your email address and password, then log in to access your return dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings drop-down menu and click on Return Policies. Here you'll create return policies. Then click on Create Return Policies. After clicking, you will see the Policy Zone. Inside the Policy Zone, you will find the Rule Name field, where you can name your rules. You will also find the Returning From drop-down, listing the countries from which customers can return products. You can select a single country or multiple countries based on your return preferences. Next, you will configure the Returning to section by setting your store or warehouse address to receive returned products from customers. You will then see the Dynamic Destination for Shipping Label checkbox. Enabling this option allows the system to generate shipping labels dynamically based on the location with the lowest inventory of the same product. If you have multiple inventories has the same product quantity, then the system automatically generates a label for it by default. If you have not checked, then you need to do this after approving the request and do it manually. Then click on Save Changes button to save this progress. What is bypass review? By default, international return labels require manual review, even if a processing event is set. Enabling bypass review overrides this, allowing international returns to be processed automatically using the same rules as domestic returns. Generate Packing Slips feature lets you control whether a packing slip PDF will be made available to customers after they submit their return request. If want, then click on Toggle Switch and click on Save Changes. Now let's talk about exchange. Turn on the toggle switch and you will see many options. On Item Variant is enabled, your customers will be able to view and select different product variants in the return portal. Next, you'll find the Group Exchange checkbox. Enabling this allows customers to perform a swap for free directly through the portal. Let's see how to set a group exchange. To set up a group exchange, start by clicking the Group Exchange button in the sidebar. You will find Price-Based Group Exchange and Create Group Exchange options. You can then configure Price-Based Group Exchange by checking the Enable Price-Based Group Exchange checkbox. Once enabled, you'll see two options to set the adjustment, Fixed and Percentage. For example, if you select Fixed and set the value to 5 to 10, and the original product price is $20, customers will be shown exchange options priced between $15 and $30. If you select the Create Group Exchange option for the Configure Group Exchange, then click on the drop-down. Next, click on Create Group. You'll need to fill in the following fields: Group Internal Name, Group Display Name, Group Display Description. After that, go to the Match Options section and choose either Price Range, enter both a minimum and maximum price. Price is greater than, enter the minimum price value in the field provided. These two options for filter your price range are easy to select your product within this price range. Next, you'll see the Select Products, Select Collections, and Select Tags sections. Click on Choose Products under the Select Products section to open a modal. Inside the modal, you'll find a list of products along with a search bar. You can select one or multiple products. Now click on Choose Products under the Select Collection section to open a modal. Inside the modal, you'll find a list of collections along with a search bar. You can select one or multiple collections. The same process applies to the Select Tag sections. Here you can select tags of products. Then you will find the Exchange options, where you've configured your products, collections, or tags. Customers who return items from these selections will be eligible for group exchanges. These settings will determine what options are available to customers when choosing products for exchange. Finally, you'll see the Exclude Options section. Here you can exclude specific products from being eligible for group exchange, meaning customers won't be able to exchange for these excluded items. Now you have done all the process, click on Save and Publish. You can create multiple group exchanges with the same procedure. Note one thing. Group exchange applies to all exchange policies if you checked on group exchange. If you don't see anything, then what? Close this menu, then go to the side menu bar and click on Integrations. After clicking, you will see lots of integration options. Then click on your preferred shipping partner and click on the Integrate button. A new pop-up appears, then fill it with your API credentials and click on Connect. Then your shipping partner will be added to your policy. Now click on Manage Carrier Accounts. Then you will see the system will automatically associate the relevant carrier accounts. Now select your carriers and click Save Change. Then you can select your preferred carrier. If you click Multiple, then the label will be generated automatically with the available carrier account with the lowest price and the available carrier account. If your preferred carrier accounts have an issue, then the system automatically scans the unpreferred carrier and generates the label automatically. Then click on the Save Changes button to save this progress. Now back to policy setting and check on the group exchange if you need. You'll find a processing event drop-down. If you select Delivered and enable the Generate Label option, return orders will be automatically approved, and shipping labels will be automatically generated. If you Generate Label is on check, Automatically Close Exchange Request, then all processes are done automatically by the system. For all other options, except Manual, with Generate Label turned on, then you need to just accept order manually. Label automatically generated by system. However, suppose Manual is selected with check Automatically Generate Label and Generate Label is disabled. In that case, you will need to manually approve the return request, but the label will not generate by clicking, but you can upload a custom label. By checking the Enable Processing Delay box and entering a specific number of days, you can delay the automatic processing of return requests. Once a customer submits a return, it will be processed automatically after the delay period you've set. The return window field allows you to set how long customers can access the return portal for a specific order. For example, if you enter 10, customers will be able to submit return requests for up to 10 days after delivered. If you don't delivery data not found or you are using manual label and shipping, then this date count from fulfillment. After that, they access, but your customer can't submit return request. If you input negative, one provides an unlimited return window. You can set an exchange handling fee by checking the exchange charge option and entering a value in the field. You can also choose the fee type from the available options, fixed, percentage, or carrier charge. In case of carrier charge, you can add extra in there, which can be either a flat rate or based on a percentage. In this case, it will automatically be added on top of the carrier's charge. You can configure a restock fee to charge customers for restocking returned items. Choose between a fixed or percentage fee, enter the amount, and check the restock fee option. If enabled, the fee will be calculated based on the number of items being returned. Enable the Keep Item feature by checking the box, then choose either manual or automatic processing. You can also define a minimum and maximum value to determine which items qualify for customers to keep without returning. By enabling the minimum stock threshold checkbox, you can set a desired inventory quantity in the input field. This ensures customers will only see and be offered products for exchange as long as your stock doesn't fall below the specified limit. Now click on Save Changes to save your process. Now let's see how to set Refund. When you click the toggle switch button, you will see it's before like exchange, just two options are missing. Set your processing event, processing delay, return window, handling fees, restock fee, keep item, and you can also add tax on refund. You can set refund including tax amount or refund excluding tax amount according to what you need. Then click on Save Changes button to save this progress. Let's talk about store credit. When you click the toggle switch button, you will see it's like Refund. Set your processing event, processing delay, return window. Now you can see a new option named Bonus Credit. If you enable the bonus credit option and choose either fixed or percentage, your customers will receive additional credit when opting for store credit as their return method. This bonus will be visible on the checkout page of the return portal. Alternatively, you can disable the bonus credit option from your dashboard if you do not wish to offer extra credit. Then you will see Keep Item. You can set tax on store credit, handling fees, restocking fee according to what you need. After clicking on Save Changes button to save this progress. Now see how to set up Shop Now. When you click the toggle switch button, you will see it set your processing event, processing delay, return window, bonus credit, keep item, and minimum stock threshold. Then you will see a new option called Shop Now across Shopify by checking the corresponding checkbox. Then enter the URL of your Shopify store in the input field provided. This allows you to redirect customers to your store, where they can browse and select products directly from your Shopify storefront after they add to cart, then click Continue. They will be redirected to the portal checkout page. If you don't check this, then your customer can shop with by Navidium Portal Shop. Then check this option and click on Save Changes button to save this progress. Wait, one more thing. If you check on Shop Now across Shopify, then you need to set another option. After configuring the Shop Now policy settings, you'll need to set up the Shop Now page. To do this, click on Instant Shop from the sidebar. This will take you to the Shop Now page where you'll find two main sections, Shop Now and Collections. Click the Edit Portal button to open the Customize Shop Now page. Here you can personalize the page by customizing buttons, pricing displays, and other visual styles according to your brand color. Then click on Save Changes button to save this progress. Now we are going to see Collection. Click on Add Collection button. After clicking, you will see Collection Name, Select Collection, and Exclude Product. Enter a name in the Collection Name field. Use the Select Collection drop-down to choose which collections will appear on the Shop Now page. Use the Exclude Product drop-down to select specific products you want to hide from the Shop Now page. You can add multiple collections with the same process. Please note, if you enable exchange fee from the exchange or the handling fee from refund and store credit, then you need to integrate payment integration. Otherwise, option does not work. How to do payment integrations. Back to integration from the side menu, then you will see available payment integrations. Choose your preferred and click on Integrate button. A new pop-up appears, then fill it with your API credentials and click on Connect. Let's talk about return instructions. When you click the toggle switch button, you will see some text boxes appear that you can edit, delete, or create new return instructions from here. When you approve any request from your customer, receive an email with these instructions automatically. Then click on Save Changes button to complete this process. That's it, your all work is done. With Navidium Returns and Exchanges, you and your customers will enjoy a flexible return experience right from your Shopify store. Navidium Returns and Exchanges.